Hello, my good people. This is Jupiter's Autos International Limited. Guys, how are they? I have this beautiful GX 460 2016 model, facelifted 2020. This car is clean title, GCC standard, low mileage, beautiful interior, 360 camera, sunroof, and very sweet. I need only 39 million naira. Buying, shipping, and clearing of this car down to your doorstep. Give me 39 million. I'm going to show you the amazing interior of this car. This car have a parking sensor, very beautiful tiger face. Okay, have a parking sensor as well. Have parking sensor, digital LED, 2 fog lights. Have a 360 camera. This is the side one. Very clean car, very clean. You're gonna love it. GX 460 heavy machine, 2016 model, 39 million naira. Buying, shipping, and clearing down to your doorstep. Buy it for Christmas. You're gonna love it. 2016 facelifted 2020. Beautiful machine. Look at the amazing interior. Very beautiful. Sweet interior. So this car have a third row seat. Look, this car have third row seat. Fullest option. Okay, fullest option. See how clean it's looking. Have a sunroof. Very smooth. (2016 model), fully loaded, beautiful interior, in and out, GCC standard, 360 camera. Okay, I need only 39 million naira. Buying, shipping, and clearing down to your doorstep. My good people, if you like this machine, give us a call at +971 588 492810. Jupiter's Autos. Let me show you the machine. You're gonna love it, man. AC is mortuary standard. AC mortuary standard. This car have only 138,000 kilometers. If you convert it to mile, you know what it is. Very low. You know. Fully loaded car. Fully loaded. Fully loaded. This car have a 360 camera. Okay, have a 360 camera, and I want to show you engine. Open. See how smooth the engine is. Very calm, guys. This car is clean title, accident free, and it's going for only 39 million naira. Buying, shipping, and clearing, everything to your doorstep. If you love it, if you're interested, give me a call. You will not find this option cheaper anywhere else. They will give you clean title car for very good price. You got me? So my phone number remains +971 588 492810. Jupiter's Autos. Give us a call and grab this machine. Ndioma.